Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ade Irvan Suryana from Business Studies Education Program in Faculty of Economics, Universitas Negeri, Jakarta. I would like to thank you for coming to my presentation, especially to my Honorable Coordinator Business Studies Program, Mrs. Terrylina, M.Pd, my first supervisor, Mrs. Dr. Dientje Griandini, M.Pd, my second supervisor, Mrs. Terrylina, Arvinta, Monoarfa, M.M., my examiners who will examine my presentation seminars today, such as my chief examiner, Mr. Nudin Hidayat, M.Si., expert examiner, Mrs. Dr. Kori Yohana, M.M., Secretary, Ms. Nadia Fadila, S.Pd. Thank you so much for taking time to be my examiner today. Today I will present a research proposal entitled The Effect of Electronic Service Quality and Satisfaction Students' Continuing Usage of Students in the Faculty of Economics, Universitas Negeri, Jakarta. There are three things I will present, which are: the first, introduction, which includes the reason for choosing the title and background of the study. The second is the literature review, which includes discussion of relevant theories and research. The third, the research methodology, which includes research instrument, research to be carried out, namely data collection technique, and place, population, and research samples. First, discussion about the research background. The first is, in the age of rapid technology development, students think that the learning process is not required in the classroom. They think by utilizing exciting technology, the learning process can also take place. The process of utilizing technology in learning is usually called electronic learning or e-learning. Second, based on data from Indonesian Internet Service Provider Association, there are a number of internet users in 2017 has reached 143.26 million people, or equivalent to 54.68% of the total population in Indonesia. This number shows an increase of 10 million people from the survey research in 2016. One of university in Indonesia, Universitas Negeri Jakarta, has begun implementing e-learning methods using the Sibering website. Several obstacles encountered when applying the learning method in Sibering. Because of the Sibering obstacles, I am interested to do a research about it, and especially about electronic service quality, satisfaction, and continuous usage of Sibering in Faculty Economics, Universitas Negeri, Jakarta. I did a preliminary survey to 43 samples from Sibering customers. The results showed that from 100%, 45.200 response Sibering servers often experience downtime. 39.5% respond the use of Sibering is complicated, and 9.3% response the design of learning in Sibering is less attractive, and also 7% response features in Sibering are incomplete. So I am interested to do research about the effect of electronic service quality and satisfaction students' continuous usage of Sibering in the Faculty of Economics, Universitas Negeri, Jakarta. Talking about continuous usage, service quality, and satisfaction, I will explain some relevant theories about it. The first, continuous usage. Lippert and Sihombing in 2019 described that continuous usage are customer loyalty to continue to use the same product from a company. Second, Antonio in 2015, the expectancy disconfirmation theory, or EDT is a consumer model that receives extensive research in explaining and predicting. And the second is e-service quality. According to Batagan in 2009, technological progress depends on increasing access to electronic services. New people are proposing innovations to produce knowledge and use electronic services. In 2015, explaining the electronic service quality originated from service quality traditionally. According to him, service quality involves the experience of interacting with the website during the service and after online service is received. And the third is satisfaction. According to Cochler and Keller in 2008, satisfaction is a feeling of pleasure or disappointment someone who appears after comparing the performance or results of the product to the expected performance. And the third, according to Sunyato in 2013, explaining the customer's expectation is to play an important role and play very influential in determining the quality and customer satisfaction. After knowing the definition of the variable in this research, I found some relevant research. And the first, the effect of system quality, service quality, information quality, easy of use and perceived of use of satisfaction customer of e-feeling by Dahlia, B.R. Ginting, and Meida Riana Marina in 2017. The second research, key factors in learner satisfaction with the e-learning system at the University of Dar es Salaam in Tanzania by Ramel and Zelinka in 2018. The third, analysis of satisfaction customers e-learning quote Sekolah Tinggi Teknik or STT Ibnu Sina Batam by Muhammad Ansyar Bora in 2017. And the last is the effect of dimension of service quality of academics website to satisfaction student of STIA KBP by Doni Marlius in 2017. The relevant research, I want to tell the theoretical framework of this research. The first, electronic service quality had significant positive effect on continuous usage. The second is satisfaction significantly influenced continuous usage. The third, satisfaction and electronic service quality influenced continuous usage. Next, I want to tell you about the research instrument of this research. The first is continuous usage. There are three dimensions to measure continuous usage. The first dimension is usability, with indicators is easy of use. The second dimension is quality, with indicator expected quality. The third dimension is value, with indicators is expected benefits. And then electronic service quality, there are two dimensions to measure electronic service qualities. The first dimension is efficiency, with indicators easy of access. The second dimension is fulfillment, with indicator accuracy of services. The third, system availability, with indicator set available and functioning. And the fourth dimension is privacy, with the indicator site safe to use. And the third is satisfaction. There are 5 dimensions of measure satisfaction. The first dimension is system quality, with indicators system easy to use. Second dimension is course quality, with indicators course easy to understand. The third dimension is service quality, with indicators good service quality. The fourth dimension is instructor quality, with the indicators good instructor quality. And the fifth dimension is perceived usefulness, several, with indicators useful. I want to present in the research methodology. The research will be conducted in Faculty of Economics, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. The population is all customers of Sibering. The samples of this research are 120 customers of Sibering. This research uses primary data by collecting the answer of the questionnaire with the Likert scale model. And the data analysis technique that used in this research is multiple linear regression. Yeah, that brings us the end of the presentation. Thank you so much for taking for the time to watch to my seminar research proposal presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.